I'm Chris Maru, bringing you the Texas Monitor Week in Review. The special prosecutors in the case against Attorney General Ken Paxton fabricated a date in order to secure an indictment, according to a sealed brief just made public for the first time. According to that filing, the prosecutors knew that the 3-year statute of limitations had expired in the case when they obtained their first indictment of Paxton in July of 2015. The defense argued in its brief that the prosecutors misled the grand jury concerning the date, ignoring clear evidence that the statute of limitations had expired. The public, however, never got a chance to hear this. Paxton's arguments were rejected by the judge in the case, George Gallagher, but he has since been removed from the case. Paxton's trial will start next year, but in addition, Ken Paxton plans to run for re-election as Attorney General in 2018. The state Republican Party has sent public records requests to all Texas House members in an effort to find out exactly what's going on, who asked the Texas Ethics Commission if the state GOP was involved in legislative bribery. Earlier this month, the Ethics Commission received a question about the Republican Caucus Speaker Selection Commitment Form. The anonymous query asked if the form itself constituted legislative bribery. News reports suggested the inquiry was made by a member of the legislature. State Republican Party Chairman James Dickey has been arguing that a Republican speaker must be selected from within the Republican caucus rather than opening the vote to the entire House, where then Democrats could vote and possibly upend the GOP selection process. Dickey defended casting such a net to find the person behind the question to the Ethics Commission and called for a public airing of the ethics request itself. He called the inquiry absurd. A key witness in the criminal fraud case against State Senator Carlos Uresti has been arrested in what police described as an assault and robbery. Police arrested 38-year-old Denise Cantu in her Harlingen apartment on November 21st, along with an accomplice. Cantu is a witness in the case against the San Antonio Democrat because she invested money that she won in an exploding tire lawsuit that killed her daughter and son, as well as 2 friends. Uresti was her lawyer. He convinced Cantu to invest her $900,000 settlement in a company known as 4 Winds Logistics. Cantu lost nearly all of her investment, while Uresti pocketed a $27,000 commission for her recruitment. It's Uresti's involvement in this failed company, 4 Winds, that is at the center of the fraud case against him. We hope you had an enjoyable Thanksgiving. For more government accountability news around the state, go to texasmonitor.org. You can also follow us on Facebook at Facebook.com/The Texas Monitor and on Twitter @The Texas Monitor. I'm Chris Maru.